Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today this video is very special as I'm going to make the intelligence hands or tentacles of Dr. Otto Octavius from Spider-Man series, Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man 2. So first to make this you need like this pipe or a wastage pipe. Then take these three cardboard and first fold it as shown in the video. So slowly fold it like this. It will help us in making the artificial hand that will be moving, which you can see in the original Dr. Octopus live action movies also. So if you want you can make a joint like this to move it like here. Then attach each three of them with a one more cardboard, so it becomes a joint, so it help in the movement of this artificial intelligent tentacles. So after attaching it looks somewhat like this. You can see here I've attached all the three parts of it and it's look awesome. You can see that these types of things are also seen in original Spider-Man series of Dr. Octavius. Here I've made different hands of it by following the same trick and somewhat adding extra joints to it. You can make it or you can just pause this video and select any design and you can make it. Then after that take like this a cardboard box, then take a bottle, pull out the cap from it, then attach it as shown in the video on either one side. You have to attach all four bottles to it. If you want you can make a cut hole or you can attach it like above and pull out the another second bottle and follow the same trick and attach all four bottles. It looks somewhat like this. I've added extra tape so it should be fixed properly and there should be no damage when I will be adding tentacles to it. After that take a ivory sheet or any cardboard sheet and stick a velcro, as you can see in my previous videos also where I have shown how to staple a velcro, where you can staple, and this velcro help us by passing the helping it to wearing it through our stomach. And you can adjust it. First take a proper size of it of your stomach or and your waist, then only you should add staple the velcro if it is comfortable. Then you can see that after that the bottle caps which were separated before, paste it on the end of the tentacles like this. It will look somewhat like this. All four bottle caps should be pasted and the bottle caps and the bottle should be of the same size. If you are using the different bottle, so it will be fixing to only one velcro only. As you can see that the final design and finally it is ready. The video on Dr. Octopus action figure is available on YouTube channel. Please go and watch it. Please share, subscribe and like my channel. The final video on this will be coming soon with all coloring part. So please share, subscribe and like my channel.